Chitrakote Waterfall is a spectacular natural beauty located in Bastar District of Chhattisgarh. It falls from a height of 95 feet and is almost as wide as 985 feet. Because of its width and widespread during monsoon season, it is often called the Niagara Falls of India. During monsoon, this fall turns wild and violent. Indravati is the main source of this waterfall. Chitrakote region offers stay options in cottages and luxury tents. Thanks for watching Discover Vibrant India.